Do you want to know if the Crypto.com card really is worth it? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I've been using the Crypto.com app for quite a while, and I also have one of the Crypto.com Visa cards, and many viewers have asked me whether it is really worth it because there has been some changes, and therefore I decided to share my experience and opinion in this video so you know both the pros and the cons and can decide if this is right for you or not. So in case you do not know what Crypto.com is, then it is a crypto app where you can do a lot of different things. You can buy crypto, sell crypto, you can trade crypto, you can claim free crypto every single day, and all kinds of things. I have a full tutorial. I will leave a link in the top corner so you can check that out. But also they offer you the opportunity to get a Visa card so you can, for example, easily spend your crypto and earn at the same time. It has a lot of different benefits, but there has been some changes in this program. And as you can see, I actually do have the card myself. So I know both how it was before and how it is now. And I decided to make this updated video where I show both the pros and the cons to talk a little bit about whether it, in my opinion, still is worth it or not. And I will also explain a little bit about how you can also potentially get a $25 bonus if you decide this is for you. So let's start by going over a little bit more about these Crypto.com's cards and how you get them, because you can download the Crypto.com app completely for free. I will leave a link below so you can go there if you have not done that yet. And then once you're inside, you can load your account with money, or you can start trading crypto. You can transfer from other crypto platforms, and then you can earn interest here, or you can earn also by claiming some free crypto every single day and all that. I mentioned that I have a full tutorial where I explain more about that. So it has a lot of options, and I like that it's very user friendly and it's also very beginner friendly. So if you're interested in crypto, it definitely can be easy to use the app. But then they also have this Visa card. So once you're inside, you can actually go and claim a Visa card. And as I already showed there, I have a card. You can see they have different options. I have this Ruby Steel at the moment. So why would you maybe want this card and what is required to get it? So let's start by going over what you need to do to get one of these cards and which one you could potentially get. So as you can see, there are quite a few different cards you can get. And the thing is that the card as such is free to get, and you get it. You can see, I got it physically sent to me, and it's this metal card is really good quality. But which one you get will depend on how many Crow you stake. Crow is Crypto.com's own cryptocurrency. When you go to the website, you can see it says Crow stake. And then here you can see the midnight blue. You don't need to stake anything. You can just join Crypto.com and then you can get this card, meaning you will get some benefits. I will show you some of them here a little bit later. But overall, what it also just gives you is easy access to actually spend your crypto, because sometimes people are worried that if they start investing in crypto and they want to sell it at some point, and how do they easily get access to it? And this can be a way to do that by just simply having a Visa card. So it can be used in any online store that accepts Visa or in any physical store. So it is really cool like that. You can also even use it to take money out through an ATM. So that's definitely one advantage all the cards have. But you can see some of them have more advantages than others. But to get those, for example, this Ruby Steel, you would need to stake 350 euros or equivalent of around $400 with the current exchange rate as of recording this video. So this means that once you're inside, you would need to buy some Crow worth of $400 and stake them. And that doesn't mean that you pay $400, because often I say like, oh, this is not worth it because you have to pay $400. No, you don't pay $400. You decide that you want to invest $400 in Crow because you believe in the coin. That's something you need to decide yourself if you do or not. If you do, then this might be for you. If not, then this is of course not a good option for you. But what you do is then to stake it, so you still have it. You can still sell them at some point, but if you unstake them, of course you will lose some of these benefits that it gives you to have the cards. But you see, it's $400 that you would then need to stake, and then you could get this Ruby Steel. So once you're inside, then you'd get that. And the advantage of doing that, if you join through an invitation link, only if you join through an invitation link, at the same time as you stake $400, you would also receive a $25 joining bonus in Crow. So you would get some extra Crow like that. that you can then do with what you want. But that's only if you join through an invitation link with an invitation code. I will leave mine below so you can use that if you decide this is for you. But you will get that bonus no matter how much you stake, as long as it is a minimum of $400. So that will then give you the benefit also of unlocking this card, for example. So then you can just claim it and they will send it for free to you. So what are the different advantages? You can see some of them you need to stake a lot, but then you also get some like really big benefits. For example, the Crow rewards is cashback rewards. So that means whenever you use this Visa card, 1% if you have the Ruby Steel, you will get cashback in Crow coin into your Crypto.com app. So then you can use that, you can keep it if you want to grow its value, or you can exchange to other crypto, or you can earn interest on it by having it inside the app. And you can see if you have the highest membership level there, you will earn 5%. And this has changed, and I cannot guarantee it will not change at some point, but in general this is definitely really cool, because you actually, for example, see 1% I would get whenever I spend a Visa card. That's pretty good in my opinion, if you're interested in crypto anyways. But just be aware that there's these rewards cap for some of the membership levels. So the maximum I could earn of rewards would be $25 with this specific card. But considering you earn 1%, it's still quite a lot you would need to spend to reach that. But if you have one of the higher membership levels, you can see currently there is no cap like that. So that's the cashback benefits you can get, but it also gives other benefits we need to talk about. So you can see some of the other card benefits is that, for example, you see you will get the Spotify, or you will get, if you use your card to pay for Spotify, you will get all of that back into your Crypto.com wallet there for these membership levels. You see, for some of them it's only for the first 6 months. Again, I cannot guarantee that this might not change. There has been some changes in the past, and that's why I'm doing this update, but still, you see, it's still pretty cool. And especially if we get to the higher membership levels, you see you get some you can click there to see more about it. You see there's some benefits for Airbnb also, there's for Expedia, there's for Amazon Prime. You see one reimbursement per merchant per month there, you can get that. You see, you just need to read the exact rules. Airport lounge access there, all these different other things that you can get. So it has some great benefits. And then you also have this option to do free ATM withdrawal. So even with the lowest membership card, where you do not have to stake anything to get it, also you will not get the joining bonus then, but then you can still withdraw 200 euros through ATMs without fees there per month. There again, it's always good to just click there to see what it means. So if you do more than that, then you pay 2%. But for this one, 400 euros, for example, 800, 1,000, so that you can take out with any fees, without any fees. So that is a monthly. That's a real cool way to get access to your crypto also very easily. And you can see there's some other there's a ATM withdrawal limit. There are some there, but it is quite high there. There's also some currency exchange transactions you can see there. So there's a lot of different benefits like that. So this is the different benefits they give, but let's just sum this up then. Now compared to before, is the Crypto.com card still worth it? So in my opinion, I am actually still happy that I have this card, because I think overall the Crypto.com app is really great. I love how user friendly it is. I use it every single day myself to keep an eye on the market. I claim these free coins. I sometimes buy a little bit, sometimes sell a little bit inside. It makes it very easy. It has these ways to automatically trade also that is really great, and they keep developing it. So it has already gone through a lot of developments since I first started using it. So I overall like it. And then for the Visa card, I know there has been some changes, and some people were not happy about that. That's how it always is when there are changes, of course. But it's important to understand in the crypto world also, often there are more benefits when you get in early. That is how it is with most crypto projects in general, and then there are some changes made to make sure that it is made sustainable long term. So if you just look at it now, so if you were told in January you would get a Visa card where you could, for example, see like get cash back every single time you use a Visa card, you would get joining bonus also if you get it. You will get potentially even Spotify and Netflix, Amazon Prime for free. You are able to easily access, just for me also, like just the whole point of of having a Visa card also like this is that you can easily access your crypto. You can use it to buy whatever you want with it. You can take it out via an ATM and all that. Just for that purpose alone, I actually think it is worth having, because it just makes it so convenient that you can do it like that. Once you're inside the app, you can just, whatever you have or funds, you can put into this, like the card. Once you ordered it, the card wallet, you can say spending account there, and then you can spend there. So you need to load it first inside the app, but then you can do that with the crypto you have or whatever. And for that reason alone, I think it's a really cool way to get access to it. And then and that's what other platforms also offer. Like some offer a Visa card like that, but in my opinion, still, it just offers some additional benefits that there are not a lot of cards currently offering. So that's just additional bonuses for me. For me personally, I think it's worth it, just, even if it didn't offer any other benefits. But I'm also considering, for example, even upgrading it to a more cash back, or to get access, for example, to the airport lounge and some other things there. I personally think it is worth it. I think that if you're not already like planning to use crypto.com, or if you're not already doing it, then of course you shouldn't just join it just to get a Visa card if you're not really interested in crypto anyways. That doesn't make sense. But if you are interested in crypto, then crypto.com is definitely a great option. I am happy that I joined it and happily use it every single day. And then I do love that they have this card option. You just need to understand how it works, and it's very easy to use, definitely, and it has some great benefits. So in my personal opinion, I'm still happy that I have this card. And if you're interested in crypto, it's definitely something I would recommend you to check out. I will leave my invitation link and code below, because remember, if you have not yet joined, if you join through an invitation link, only if you join through an invitation link with an invitation code, you can get a $25 joining bonus if you decide to stake $400 and get this Visa card. You can of course stake more and get one of the higher paying Visa cards, but you need to do this as a minimum to get the joining bonus. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you and gave you some ideas about whether crypto.com's cards are for you or not. And if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.